Hello guys, review Xiaomi Redmi 15C. Okay, open box, look completion. This version 4GB RAM memory and 128GB storage. In completion we have only key for SIM slot, protected back cover and Type-C cable. Okay, power button and wall buttons. On the back side double camera. On this side slot, SIM card slot. Downside Type-C, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device. Open settings. About phone. We have HyperOS version 2, Android 15. Close this. Open Geekbench 6, talk about system information. We have HD plus display, 120Hz, 6.9 inch. Look, results, single core score, multi-core score. MediaTek Helio G81. Look onto the benchmark results. Okay. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. And open camera. I show you photos on this camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.